I made a handheld tool that's adjustable, again using a narrow PVC pipe and another pipe that's one size larger so it can fit inside. I also use bolts, washers, nuts, and caps for one end of each pipe. Using a hacksaw, I cut down both pipes to a shorter length. Then, about an inch from one end, I drilled a hole right through on each pipe to fit the bolt. On the larger pipe, I made cuts on the other end. Using side cutters, I marked 4 small triangles. Using a smaller hacksaw, I made 4 rough cuts. I then added a small hose clamp with a butterfly grip right on the end. For the ends of the pipes, I added a couple of kids' rolling pins. You just need to saw away or snap off the handles. Of course, you can use other rollers. This is just what I could easily find. Onto the bolt, I added a washer, then the roller, another washer, and then the nut. Check that the roller spins freely. I then added another washer, the pipe, a washer again, tightened it with the butterfly nut, and added a cap on the end. I repeated this with the other pipe, inserted it into the larger one, and tightened it up at the length I needed. Stretch the elastic and fabric around the rollers and pin all around. Slide under the presser foot and hold on to the pipe as you sew. You can hold on to the pipe so that it's stationary and let the roller spin, but I find it easier to just stitch and then pull the whole frame back towards you. Also, depending on your fabric, you may not need to pin at all. For top stitching, fold over the top edge onto the rollers and add an edge guide. Again, there are proper tools and entire frames that you can put around your machine, but this is just a quick make for anyone who needs a bit of help. Be sure to check out some of my other sewing hacks and tutorials. Thanks again for watching. Take care and happy sewing.